What's your name?
Jerry Reilly,
And where are you from?
Apex, North Carolina.
Apex. Okay. And what are you hoping to learn at the clinic?
How to shoot again with being able to see after I shooting all my life and getting away from pool for a while.
Okay. Now, did you watch the pre-clinic series?
No, I did not.
Didn't watch it? Okay. All right. That's it. Jerry, you're in the middle of day 2. There's still some more aiming systems to go, but what do you think so far about the course?
The course itself is pretty nice. Teaches you basically the fundamentals. I mean, I've been shooting for 30 years and never really been taught. It's kind of whatever you learn to do. Something I can help other people out with in their game too, so that's what I like.
Now, the things that you said that you wanted to learn, were you able to learn those things to your satisfaction?
Yeah, I mean, I really worked on my stance, lining up my shot, my stick, a consistent shot, stroke, everything like that, yeah.
Okay, was there anything that you can see that the course needs to improve, or anything that you would recommend?
I think there needs to be more of them. I think more people need to take it.
More people need to take it. All right, sounds good. Okay, thank you.